Today's video, I'll show you how to prepare your first tax return using TurboTax Canada. Start by visiting the official TurboTax website. Sign in or create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, go to your personal dashboard and click on the Tax Home section. Select the tax year you're filing for, like 2024 taxes, and click Review/Edit to check default information and make corrections. Then go to My Info, Personal Profile, to verify details like your name, address, marital status, and dependents. These affect your return. Next, enter your personal information and income details accurately, matching documents such as payslips or T4 forms. Accuracy is crucial to avoid errors. By following these steps, you'll be fully prepared to file your first tax return confidently.